Hey there. So you may recall about 6 months ago we got this side by side here. Well, since that time things haven't turned out quite the way we planned. Case in point, the first time we tried to use it to plow snow, the blade broke. I'm not even kidding.
Buckle up for safety as I give you a day in the life of online. No, not online. I'm actually there. Facilities maintenance.
Yep, you may notice that there's no blade on the front of this unit right now. That's because it's laying over here. Let me try and dig it out and show you what's going on. This right here is what I'm talking about. So this piece of 1.5 inch square tubing, well, actually it just looks like a piece of angle iron right now. This used to be a piece of 1.5 inch square tubing, 1/8 inch thick. And at first I thought that the issue, there are a number of things going on here. This should have never broken in the first place. This should have been plenty strong enough. But when I looked at it closer, what I could see going on here, and you might be able to see it. So you know it's all crystallized on both sides? The only thing I can think of is that when they welded this together, that they quenched it. Depending on the type of steel it is, some of it can take a quench and some of it can't. And I think this one was made brittle in the process. And you see how the ends are rusty? That means that there was cracking going on already before it was ever used to plow snow. Now the other half is over here. At least these are the pieces of it. And there's more to it. That's what I have in the vise right over there. I'm rebuilding it. Yeah, this is how that fit in. Okay, so the reason I'm trying to figure out which way this goes is because I don't want to put it together upside down. Let me show you what I mean. Actually, let me catch you up to where I've gotten to so far. That piece that I was just showing you, I cut out of here. So it was part of this unit right here. And yeah, I need to figure out whether this goes this way or this way, because this is what gets welded to the blade portion. I made this yesterday. I made this out of 1/8, the same as what came off the machine. But there are a couple of reasons why this is a lot stronger. One, I didn't quench it. Anytime it heated up, I let it cool down naturally, so it's not brittle. The other thing I did was I boxed the ends, and that will add a ton of strength. I don't think it goes this way. But then we'll see. I'll have to bring the blade over and figure that out. Now I can see by this that I've got it upside down. Yeah. Okay. Right, so this will go like this. This piece will weld here. This bar goes on top. If I remember that, I'm good. Okay, I've got the orientation figured out. So next steps, and I apologize for not taking you through the whole process of taking that apart and rebuilding all of that. Yeah, I just got so busy and wrapped up in it that I didn't film anything. But I will videotape this. Next steps here, I need to cut along here and cut along here on both sides to remove this. And once I do that, and I can grind this down, grind the paint down and everything, and prep this for welding, then I will be welding that piece to here. And once I do that, we are well on our way to being a finished product. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to put a grinding wheel on here and square these up. That is a bit of a mess. Needed the strength of 2 magnets to hold it in place. But now that it's there, I can start welding. So far, those welds are looking really nice. I just have to flip it on its side so I can get in there and in there. And yeah, I gotta hit these outside ones as well. And then I will have welded this on all 4 sides. And that will be strong, and we're back in business.
Mind you, I think we're about 11 months away from having any more snow, but that's besides the point.
Well, I do believe that's all the welding that I need to do. And I guarantee you it is much stronger than the original. I just disassembled things again to clean them up and hit them with a little paint. It'll protect it from rusting. It won't be as good as the original. I think it was actually a powder coat on here, but it will have to do. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way that's turned out.
Little spritz of some white lithium grease on the contact slide points.
Well, everything's back together and ready for round 2 next winter. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.